Hey, this is Larissa with Kintone Customer Success, and today we're going to review the permission management page of Kintone Administration. So to navigate to permission management, you're going to click the gear wheel and select Kintone Administration, and then select Permission Management under Permissions. So this page is going to allow you to grant users access to Kintone Administration to manage app group settings, to create apps, create spaces, and to create guest spaces. So the first thing to note is that Kintone administrators will always have all of these permissions here, regardless of what it says that is shown for the permissions on this page. So let's review the different columns that we have on this page. So first we have priority. So this is going to show you the order of the permissions that are applied to the selected user, department, or group when you add a row to the table. So when you add a row, the arrow icon displays on the left side. Permissions applied in the top row will take precedence over rows under it, and you can't move or edit the everyone group. So permissions must always be set for everyone. So you must have a basis for everyone, and then you can modify that by adding in the people who do need those permissions above. So this user, department, or group, so this is going to show who the permissions for that column or for that row apply to. And then we have permission inheritance. So this column determines whether or not all child or subdepartments are included in the assigned permissions. So you're going to check the checkbox to grant the same permissions to the child or subdepartments. And then we have system administration. So when this is checked, users will have access to manage Kintone administration. App group settings. So when checked, users will have access to view and or edit app group settings. So please note, users must also have system administration access to be able to edit and view these app group settings. So they must have access to this to be able to do this. And then create apps. When that is checked, users will have permission to create new apps, create spaces. Users will have permission to create spaces, and then we have guest spaces. So when this last one's checked, users will have permission to create new guest spaces. So just note when you select this create guest space, create spaces is always allowed. So you can't allow users to only create a guest space. And then to delete a permission row, you'll just click this little X here to the right and select delete. And then once you're all set, save your settings. So thanks for watching this quick tip on setting permission management.